Hey man. I'm about to show y'all something so stupid. You gonna be like, why not think of that? Why not think of that? Cause you ain't me. Let me put my shirt on. Where my shirt at? Hey, and y'all better not say nothing about my house either, man. I ain't playing with you. Oh yeah, good. I am not thirsty. I'm not finished eating my hash brown yet, but I want to get into this thing. So, what I'm going to show you today is really, really simple. Alright? So, man, the hash brown is good. But, what I want to show you today, what I want to go into is camera phone photography. I started this idea with, because I was going to use one of my digitals and break out a couple pieces to my equipment, but I'm going to keep this one simple. So, this first one, I'll come back and do the other stuff later. This is a trick that I've used out, just being out photographing small stuff. I've done I photograph products with it. I'm a crafter. Customized shirts, stuff like that. Socks, photo buttons, and some other stuff. But when I do that, then of course I do the photography as well. So here is a very, very simple but extremely effective way to enhance your mobile device photography immediately without purchasing anything additional, because what I'm going to show you, I probably can assure that you have it available right now, and that's as long as you have a device with a camera built into it. Secondary piece of equipment. Okay, I'm back. First thing is your primary, which will be a device of some sort, whether that be a tablet or a cell phone. Of course, your choice. But the second piece to this, of a possible three, if you go into the three, I'll get into the three when I do this stuff, so I can show you like how this stuff turns out. So the second piece to this will be a light source of some sort. Me personally, I use a flashlight. I gotta charge it, that phone too. I use a flashlight from another cell phone, right? I'm trying to keep this video short and to the point so you can get to doing what you do. But this will greatly immediately enhance your product photography, because it gives you more creativity and freedom to be able to photograph your product in the light that you want to see your customer to see it in, right? So that's what I want to focus on for this video. So another cell phone has a flashlight on it, works beautifully, because it's a directional light source, right? So man, I didn't want to get into all this stuff, but screw it. Hopefully something I say helps you. But cell phone is good. I'll take the other cell phone and the light source, of course, is on one side of it. So I take my this is pretty much, don't y'all laugh, this is my daughter's tablet. So I'll better not be laughing at this pink cover I got in my hand. You better not. So let's say this is dead, but let's say it has a light on it. And here's my camera. So this has the light source. As long as it's a source of light, you can get this done. So it's directional, right? Like a flashlight is. So you take this and you got this light pointing down at your product. And here you are with the camera, and so you got two hands and you can put the light where you want it, right? So you see the shadows, you see where the shadows fall, you can, here that works best. You might have some ambient lighting that's throwing in a little light on there, so it's like lighting up the sides of it. So you're this is what you're working, this is what you're doing exactly, so you're moving the light around and you're photographing, and it's just that simple. But that basically right there is instant improvement, because like you got a flash on the front of your phone and it's dead at you and it's flat lighting, so the light is flattening your face out, kind of flat lighting. But off camera lighting, off camera photography, off camera flash, all that stuff is more dramatic. You can put the light where you want it and not just flat right in your face. And that's how a lot of people photograph from their phones, is with that little camera flash on there and good picture. Okay, that's cool. Now here's a way for you to be more creative and put the light where you want it versus static where it has to be. Instant improvement. So hopefully those tips instantly improve your tabletop. Even it's a very small light source, so you can take some pretty nice headshots with cell phone flashlight. So with those tips, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, because you have the gist of it. Well, I'm out of here. Back to my hash brown.